Hi, it's Addie Kelzer with Urban Fitness Twin Cities, and today I want to share an exercise with you that is great for a lot of different people, but I want to highlight that this exercise is specifically appropriate for most people during their pregnancy. So I'm going to be showing you a squat that has an added overhead reach, which is just for a side body stretch in between your squats, which is actually really nice when you're pregnant because it just slows the squat down a little bit so that you have an extra opportunity to breathe before you're into your squat again. So we're gonna work on really good form, which is why I have a bench behind me. So if you have a sturdy chair and you're not super comfortable with your squat form yet, this is a great way to practice them. So I've got a step that's about just higher than my knee here, and I'm gonna stand 6 to 8 inches in front of it. So this is gonna help encourage my hips to send back as I squat. So I'm gonna squat and tap the bench and then stand, and then I'm gonna reach and bend through the side of my body, and then I'm back into my squat again, reaching and bending to the other side. One of the things you're gonna wanna pay attention to is as you reach overhead, we're not shifting weight over here or lifting in that opposite heel. You're gonna stay square from the lower body down and then just creating that rainbow shape from the hips up. So from the front, it's gonna look like squat and reach, and squat and reach. And one other thing I want to mention, that if you are doing this while you're pregnant, you might notice wanting to set up a little bit wider, just so that when you go into that squat, you've got a little bit more space for your tummy. All right, let us know if you like this exercise and if you have any questions about it.